got to this one. Okay, so welcome everyone out over here for the JCF meeting on AI. I will not waste much time. I will just hand over to Sangeeta ji to have a quick introduction for our learned speaker Hiral ji. So thank you, Sangeeta ji. Please continue.
Yeah, thank you, Varga ji. Good evening and Jai Jinendra to everybody.
Jai
So, ladies and
Jinendra.
gentlemen, yes, Jai Jinendra Hiral. It is my absolute pleasure to introduce to you our dynamic and inspiring professional, CA Hiral Jai Prakash Mehta, a name that stands for leadership, integrity, and excellence. A fellow chartered accountant, BCom graduate, and a certified independent director, she also holds a prestigious qualification like ICI Diploma in Master in Business Finance. She has completed AICA Level 1 and 2 and PFG ACC. With over a decade of rich experience, she has built and strengthened accounting systems, trained finance teams, and driven regulatory and tax compliance for corporates, non-corporates, and NGOs alike. Currently, she plays two impactful roles: business advisor for Indian operations at the Toronto-based firm and group CFO for a global AI company, which she proudly represented at the G20 summit in Chennai in 2023. She has served as a panelist at Thakur Business School for a high-profile discussion on Budget 25-26 and contributes actively to the WRC committees on career counseling, editorial, and ethical standards. Presently, she is also part of the Ethical Standard Committee of WRC for 26-27. She is a core member of the study group of Acquaintance and Fellowship SGAF, which hosts the much appreciated Chai Pe Charcha, an online Zoom session led by CA Vandana Dodia, covering vibrant, trendy, and contemporary professional topics. At JCF, for the term 2023, she had served as the convener of the editorial committee for the JCF Knowledge Bank, a digital publication of professional insights. She was also a core committee member of both the JCF Mudra Committee and JCF Women Empowerment Committee Borivali chapter. In addition, she is a founding core committee member of the Mahavir Nagar CPE Study Circle of WRC. What truly sets her apart is her personal mantra: inhale confidence, exhale doubt, and multiply connects for better outcomes. So please join me in warmly welcoming our visionary leader, a mentor, and a powerhouse of positive energy, CA Hiral Mehta. Welcome. She is a
Yeah,
dear
thank
friend of
you.
mine. So over to you, Hiral.
Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am, for the wonderful introduction. And thank you, Barkha, for, inviting me for this session. I have given my, domain in related to the, CFO services and everything. I am taking care of that, sessions. So this is my first session which you have given me to, try on AI related things. So thank you for Barkha for that. And let us start with our, AI for prompt engineering. So what exactly I just wanted to understand is how many of you have done the AI level 1? Can you raise your hand?
All are requested to participate, maybe by chat box or by reactions.
Yes. So I can understand that at least 50% of the crowd, have done the AI course level 1. Level 2 must be they are planning or something like that way. So how many of you using the Chat GPT, Claude, Gemini or anything, any AI tool on really on daily basis?
Yeah, I am using it.
Yeah. Any other who are using, regular AI tool or something?
Many people have written on the chat box,
Yes.
Copilot, Claude, Shefali ji, Mahavir ji, Mokshi ji, many.
Yeah. So I'll start with, sharing my PPT right now first. Can you see my PPT?
Yes, visible.
It's visible now. It's not giving any illusion related thing, right?
No, no, no.
So the session agenda will go is like, first I will see certain, foundation, what is required to be, consider. Then the prompt engineering, how it works. Then there is live demonstration also. Then there will be what are the, risk, mistakes or ethics which we have to, consider for the AI tool to use. And there will be prompt library available, which I will share across to you. And there is question answer session. So there is learning objective is like understanding general AI and LLMs. Master four prompt frameworks. Execute the CA use cases. If anybody is having any laptops or any chat, the chat tool, that chat GPT tool or Claude tool available, they can use that. Avoid AI mistakes and hallucination means you will have to you will have to give the command in that manner. They should not hallucinate your output. Then ensure data privacy and ICI ethics and build your prompt library. So what do you mean by this LLMs, large language models? Can anybody answer?
Uh, uh, Basically, I can say Chat GPT.
So there is a myth like only there is a chat GPT which comes into our
No, no,
mind in
example.
related
Example.
to. Yeah, so the example is that only कि we always think what is AI? AI is related to the chat GPT. But there are so many tools available for differently to be used. Like the chat gpt we can use only as in better form or better utilization is in the form of summarizing things, defining the articles, defining the topics or certain things. When we want the different reports, we want a detailed analysis report or something, then we can use Anthropic Claude, which gives you a detailed analysis point of view report. I'll give you the example how I'm using Claude for many, SOP draftings and everything. Then there is Gemini, Google Gemini, which is Google Gemini. You can, associate that Google is a research engine or the search engine. So we can understand that Gemini is literally, we can use for the any research work where we have to use the web scraping, like entire data mining things and everything which we have to do. We have to search the various websites and everything. Then at that particular time we can use Gemini Google. Then there is a Copilot Microsoft, which is actually useful to link our Outlook, Word, Microsoft Team. So if we are having a Microsoft Team, then the defined paid version of Microsoft, the entire analysis report can be generated related to the any workflow which is defined in the form of Microsoft Excel. Then there is a mailing things which is happening in the Outlook, which has been linked with your final reports and everything. And then there is a Teams, so meetings that has been considered for the relevant topic. Like if we have a some GST client survey report or something like that way, so we have one the Excel prepared for the what is the base of that particular client. Then we have different mailing system mails that has been done to the that particular client. And if we have a certain meetings and conclusive conclusion which has been considered in Microsoft Team, and Microsoft Team is also taking the notes. So everything can be combined and we can give the consolidated analysis report in Microsoft from the help of the Microsoft tool itself. Then there is a perplexity where we can, consider the various historical patterns which has to be, observed, or certain historical patterns that has to be, considered on the basis of certain appreciation or something, 10% increase, 10% decrease or something like that way. Or for the CMA data, how we can use this for when the CMA data has been prepared. So perplexity is the best tool to use for that. So where there is a trend analysis, where there is a data pool involved, there we can use perplexity. So am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So when we type any, command to any of our AI tool, like maybe it Gemini, be it Copilot, be it this related to ChatGPT or Claude, when we write any command, they need an prompt which is really understandable in the form of what is our role, what is the context, what is the chain of thought required, and what is the final output we are expecting, and in which form. So that is required to be considered in our prompt. See, now if we see, every professional prompt uses one or more of this, building blocks, like role based prompting. If I have to, be as a senior CA, or if I have to be as a, article assistant, and I want a data mining thing or data indexing thing, the thing or something like that way. So we have to restrict his thoughts in that front. Like if you are giving any directions, like I want the report on GST filing has been done or not, but you will have to analyze, like I have the list of client where I am having the entire, details written, whether these returns have been, filed or not. So analyze that firm and what are have been, pending. So we have to give certain inputs also to get the final output for analysis purpose.
Absolutely. That is where I think वो garbage in, garbage out concept comes in.
हाँ,
And
garbage in garbage out होता है वरना. Then if you are, means the role you have defined first, what you have to act as, then you have to define a context, like based on prompting they will we have to give, like my client is in this form, he's in this state, or he wants this details or something like that way. So we have to be very particular about the things which is required to be done. So in this particular example, we have considered that my client is a 25 crore MSME manufacturer in Maharashtra. Then what is the GST? Means if we are analyzing for the, GST block credit or something like that way, so then we can consider, just give me a second. Yeah. Chain of thought. Analyze ITC eligibility for capital goods purchased by a hotel, partly exempt step by step. Means chain of thought means what we have given the direction is that check this particular section, apply these rules, then calculate the eligible versus reversible, compute monthly common credit, and prepare reconciliation table. So all these details means this is a specific directions given. Okay, you have to first think on this front, then you have to think on this step, then you have to think this step, and then you have to give the final working. So this proper working and reasoning for each step is compulsorily to do for getting the better output. Then we'll have to ask for the output format. Like format should be is in, formal manner, in a professional manner. It is to be submitted to the client, so it should be in that form, or I need in a certificate format, or I need something else. So that has to be, clearly defined in that output format.
okay, before you proceed to the next slide, there is a question by Jignesh Bhai. Is it
Yeah.
safe to give user ID and password to Claude?
No, it is not safe because
Correct.
there is, yeah, because the data the client's data, it is not safe per se, but if you are taking any permission from the client that I am using this for my, AI purpose, so then you can, always share that details, but you need a permission for sharing all those details from someone. So I would say you should not go for it because it will give the data to others. Even though there is, data restriction controls which is given in our, chat gpt or any other app where there is a data control tab. In that data control tab there is a one tab where we have to, select off, like you cannot use this direction. I will show you that, so that will be, in better form. Here there is a settings available. There is a data control. Improve the model for everyone. This is off. So this will not share any data to all over the, users or something like that way, or it is not used to train the models. So it will have to be, considered in that form. I hope you can, get this idea. Uh, who has asked that question?
Jignesh bhai, he's raised another thing, and that is if that is not possible, then
Okay.
how will it extract data? Jignesh bhai, if you're there, you can definitely have a conversation here.
Means you want to say that you have to off the improve model.
Yes, improve model is off for not sharing the data that is to be used for your for the training purpose. Like, see, this is the model where everybody is, in training format right now. So what they are doing, they are getting all the data from all over, details, and they will give the final output to somebody else also by using your data. This has been saved in their cloud. They can use this data. So it is in my form, my personal advice that you should not give your user ID and password apart from you are having any desktop version.
Yeah, ma'am.
This is all
Here,
are
ma'am.
your, yeah, this is all are your, cloud-based versions. So you cannot use it. So that is a particular application which is required to be, considered, which is a desktop based, where the data has not been, shared to anyone.
Yes, Jignesh bhai, you wanted to say something.
Yeah. So, madam, I tried developing tool. I was just testing, downloading 2B from the site. So I
Yes.
found various challenges as to, uh, I entered a GST user ID password in that tool, and that tool, automatically logins to GST site. But somehow,
Okay.
it is blocking further processes to, click on that financial year, quarter, and then month, and then select, and then further process to 2B. That was not happening.
But actually, that development requires a different, API key, which is required to be considered, and that API app should be, working. Then only you can go to from one to another, and you can go in detail. So
Okay,
that
ma'am. Okay,
API
ma'am.
activation is having a different, application base. So that
Okay, ma'am.
API formation is required.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
I
you.
hope
Thank
I
you.
have, answered you
Yes,
correctly.
I think this is something which we think कि ये सब कुछ अपने आप होगा तो नहीं, we need to integrate a lot with
Many things, yeah.
yes,
We
so
need to
many API,
integrate
many
many
nodes,
things.
etc. needs to be created to make sure the tool is working as per your requirement.
Yes, ma'am. So there, I would like to add here. There are some pop-ups which are coming after login, like Aadhaar authentication not done. So we have to click remind me later and next. So those also were stopping me. Then I somehow tried to coded it, but process actually halts on one or other point. So as madam has said rightly, it requires proper. Step by step process to be configured.
Yes,
And I
yes,
think that is
because
where today's session will be effective. Prompt engineering, wherein we actually think about, how to get that right prompt.
yeah. So the another example I would like to take is that procurement related to the internal audit. One of the program is there. So we have to analyze what is the procurement strategy of that particular client. So we have to define first role. So how we will define the role? Act as a senior internal auditor for an Indian listed FMCG company. Context will be what you have to define. Okay, what exactly I am giving you the data. The client is of 420 crores revenue. There are so many plans. They are using which tool, which accounting tool. Like the tally data will have a different output. SAP will have different output. ERP will have different output, which we are going to use as our input. Then the last audit is done how many months ago or how many years ago or something like that way we can define, because in the internal audit parameters how we are working is depending upon the management. So if management is giving us the procurement cycle, then we are doing it. So it may not be covering in every year and year wise or something like that way. So we have to give the special instruction to them so that it will give a final output in proper manner. So high risk area is procurement three vendor flag for related party risk. This we have defined that you have to identify vendors where there are high risk areas. Then we have given a chain of thought. Okay, like identify top five procurement risk. For each risk, define three audit procedures, list of documents to examine per procedure, present the table in which format, the risk area, procedure, key documents, red flag, and rating, high, medium, low. So in this format, they will generate the report. Now I would like to, share the Word file with for this. I have just got these. This was why my, simple internal audit report for one of my, client, trust client, where I am going, like how it is, फी रिकन्सिलिएशन होता है कि नहीं, बैंक रिकन्सिलिएशन है कि नहीं, ये सब मैंने ऐसे डिफाइन किया हुआ था. यहाँ पे वैसे ही डिफाइन किया हुआ था कि क्या फाइंडिंग्स है, प्रोसीजर क्या किया, एक्शंस टेकन. दिस इज द सिंपल फॉर्मेट विच यू कैन सी. I gave this report without any the personal information that has been considered in this particular Word file. This Word file was uploaded and I drafted for reframe this internal audit report in better format, giving me the entire coverage area, audit procedure performed, or anything which we have to define, the table of content and all that stuff. Then executive summary, you define, give me the executive summary also, what is happening with them, what are the summary priority areas and all. So they gave me this in detailed form, the internal audit report. Like you see now the presentation how it looks. The risk implication has been shown separately. So you will have to define what is exactly required from the AI tool. That is most important thing you will have to look into it.
Very true. In fact, this is exactly where, we can ideally say AI is very effective for
Yes.
chartered accountant, wherein presentation, everything.
Then there was two more examples I can give you, like the certificate drafting. We get lot of certificate or the lab utilization certificate or something like that way. We have got what is the certificate content we can define. Like I want this format. This is the para. It's to be standard. Everything can be in Word file, roughly pasted, and you can. देन यू कैन गिव दिस लाइक यूटिलाइजेशन ये क्या है. और ये दोनों को हम लोग को अपलोड करना है क्लॉड में, कि मुझे ये फॉर्मेट में सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए आपका बना के, कि ये एंड यूज सर्टिफिकेट होना चाहिए. So I have given certificate format, I have given the basic content of what is exactly required. Then give me the list of documents and clarification required from the client and also the draft certificate. This was the draft certificate it gave me in the
Wow.
first instant. Chartered accountant responsibility, procedures performed, document examined, procedures applied, opinion certification, restriction of use also I have written. So this was the format which I have asked. And it gave me the wonderful format in, wonderful, like it just came and I have to give the document list. So I directly went to draft the certificate and you give me the document list also. So both the thing together can go. So it saves my time, like
But
giving, the
तो इसमें
entire
आपको
day for, yeah,
तो इसमें
बोलिए ना.
जो आपने वर्ड फाइल बनाई है उसमें बहुत टाइम गया होगा ना, लाइक यू हैव टेकन लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू मेक दैट वर्ड फाइल, दैट फॉर प्रॉम्प्ट जो आपने प्रॉम्प्ट बनाया, इट आल्सो टेक हाउ मच, लाइक इट विल आल्सो टेक द टाइम टू मेक दिस प्रॉम्प्ट.
Hiral, are you there? I think Hiral has lost the connect.
Her screen is there, so it's just a technical issue.
I think freeze हुआ है. She must have lost. I'll just check. Hiral has just lost the connection. She's joining in just a while. Please hold. In the meantime, the platform is really open in case if anyone has done something really, developed a good tool from AI, you all can share your experience as well. We can definitely, learn from each other.
Hello.
Jai Jindal Sarojini.
Yeah, hi, Jay Janendra. So, first of all, thank you very much for this wonderful session. So, I am trying to build, I work with one of the subsidiary of Axis Bank. It's InvoiceSmart. And I am trying to build a data recovery tool from Copilot thing, process automation. उसमें 70-80% हो पाया है, मतलब आई एम एबल टू सेंड अ मेल, टेबल कंसोलिडेशन वगैरह एवरीथिंग हो जाता है, बट ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज कि उसमें इनवॉइस वो अटैच नहीं कर रहा है. सो इफ इनवॉइस इज saved at OneDrive, then it is not attaching it. So for that portion of tool, I am not able to crack how to solve it.
Okay. तो गूगल ड्राइव में आई थिंक वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, मतलब गूगल ड्राइव को एक्सेस करना है ना, इट्स वेरी टिपिकल. So one of the cases when I was working on, I think Hiral has joined. Will not take much time. So one of the cases where I was joining, trying to patch in, I had to just give AI that I am 5-year-old. I don't understand anything. You give me step by step कि मेरे को कौन से वेबसाइट पे जाना है, कौन से लिंक पे जाना है, and then it worked out good for me. So maybe just tried other ways around. तो शायद you may get some more idea. Otherwise, definitely we can connect and personally reach out each other, help each other, and Let's see कैसे help कर.
नहीं, actually the problem is that कि other than OneDrive, everything else like Google Drive is not accessible at office. So it's blocked. So I
Copilot,
don't know whether it.
मेरा personal opinion हमेशा ये रहा ना, Copilot is like always for industry people. So I have
Yes,
not
yes,
much.
I'm telling you
That
that
is the
only.
problem. That is the
So
problem.
I
मतलब yeah,
haven't got
learning.
much taste of it.
हाँ
But yes, Claude बोलो, Google Studio
हाँ
बोलो,
वो
वो सब चल जाता है.
Google Studio,
हाँ
Yeah,
yes.
वही प्रॉब्लम
but
है.
मतलब थोड़ा सा Copilot है ना, कंपेरेटिवली हम लोग को ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा सा टिपिकल है यूज
टफ है.
करने के लिए.
हाँ एक्चुअली.
Okay,
Yeah,
ठीक है.
it
Hiral,
is
please
not
continue.
easily to be, considered like that way.
Yes,
Whoever is using the OneDrive, the Word file and OneNote and everything, so they can use easily like that
right,
way.
right.
Hey, Hetal, the
So
problem is
sorry,
that
I
there is.
was, getting I disconnected somehow. I don't know what has happened. But can you share me the rights again?
Done.
Yeah. So I was on that, okay, I got that details and list of documents also I got. I asked that, okay, give me the, list of documents which is required to be mailed to the client. So it also gave me the list of documents. So it is giving a good amount of, less amount of involvement in, daily routine or something like that way. So we can consider always to use these tools, how feasibly, and you have to start using it. Then only you will get the, that feel that no, I'm getting something. If you'll get frustrated and if you'll stop using it, then it is like कि वो फिर आपको आएगा ही नहीं. आपको है ना वो डेली बेसिस पे कैसे यूज करना है ना, कि मुझे अभी ये चाहिए, हाउ वी यूज टू डू द गूगल सर्च. In that form you have to do the use of ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and which app is giving you the right answer that you have to establish. Then these are the, standard drafting which is required to be considered. This PPT must be, I hope this PPT will be shared, right?
Yes, we will share all these PPTs to all the groups of JCF.
So you have to, find that you have to start using this, prompt and get the, idea how it is working. Then only you will get the feel कि नहीं अभी मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए. Then you'll update your prompt and you will get the, final output. आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर दैट कि मुझे जेसीएफ में से ही है ना, मुझे किसी ने बोला था चैट जीपीटी यूज करने के लिए, मुकेश सोलंकी सर. आई वॉज इन हिज ऑफिस एंड ही वॉज लाइक कि नहीं, यू ड्राफ्ट दिस, यू विल गेट द, फाइनल. तो उन्होंने स्टार्ट करवाया था मुझे यूज करने के लिए. दिस वॉज बिफोर 2023 आई गेस. मतलब जब भी अपना जेसीएफ बोरीवली का हुआ इंस्टॉलेशन, उसके पहले ही मुझे उन्होंने बोला हुआ था. तो
मुकेश
आई
भाई
वॉज
सबसे सब
लिटरली,
काम करवा सकते हैं.
हाँ मैं वही बोल रही हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे बोला था और मैंने स्टार्ट किया और फिर मैंने चालू कर दिया. और जेसीएफ का जो डिजिटल मैगजीन भी जो पहले बन रहा था ना, मैं उसमें उसका ही हेल्प ले रही थी कि हाउ आई कैन यू इन बेटर फॉर्म दैट डिजिटल, पब्लिकेशन और व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी डन. सो इनिशियल स्टार्ट फॉर्म में जो वो डिफाइन करना था ना, वो मुझे ये एआई टूल्स ने ही हेल्प किया हुआ है कि मैं कैसे इसको और ज्यादा बेटर बनाऊं.
Correct.
We can ask for anything like Excel formula also we can generate from the chat GPT or Claude or a Gemini or anything. We have to just give them कि I want the Excel formula for this particular thing. They will give you the Excel formula and you can always learn the Excel also from that. We don't need to go anywhere to, get registered for Excel learning or anything. If we want H lookup to learn, if we want V lookup to learn, what formula exactly is required. I exactly don't have the case study with me for the Excel, but it was so difficult formula. I had to, formulate that income tax table for 89 relief calculation. सो वो 89 रिलीफ कैलकुलेशन के लिए मुझे जो कंप्यूटेशन की शीट बनानी थी, उसमें मुझे जो जो डिटेल्स डालनी थी ना, उसमें मेरा 89 रिलीफ प्रॉपरली कैलकुलेट होके आ ही नहीं रहा था। और मैंने पूछा कि मुझे अभी ये एक्सेल चाहिए, मेरे पास ये डेटा है, आप मुझे बस अभी ये फॉर्मूला बोलो कि कैसे डालना है। और दैट formula was given, and that formula exactly gave me the final income tax working for one of the salaried person who was getting a salaries in arrears. So you
नहीं नहीं
just have to
वो
start
ये
using the things.
तो यू जस्ट हैव टू ऐड दैट, मतलब जिनका भी पेड वर्जन होगा ना, तो वी कैन ऑलवेज ऐड द टॉप अप साइट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जीपीटी है, चैट जीपीटी है, या फिर कोपायलट है,
Yes, yes.
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट 365, एवरीथिंग गेट्स इनकॉर्पोरेटेड ना, तो फिर वहां पर जस्ट एआई एआई टैब के ऊपर क्लिक करते ही यू गेट द राइट फॉर्मूला,
हाँ,
यू जस्ट हैव टू टाइप इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, आई नीड अ फॉर्मूला फॉर दिस, एंड इट विल
yes.
गिव यू द कंप्लीट फॉर्मूला.
हिरल, बरखा, हिरल से क्या हमें ये पीपीटी मिलने वाला है क्या?
Yes, yes, we'll share the PPT. Thanks to Hiral madam, she is already confirmed that she will share the
हाँ,
PPT with us.
yeah, I'll
थैंक
share
यू
that
हिरल, दैट्स
certificate
हेल्पफुल
drafts also so that everybody is getting that
Thank you
news.
so much. Thank you so much.
सो मच, थैंक यू हिरल।
I had, see, ITC eligibility for hotel capital goods, which I was, telling you in that particular example. So it gave me this, which I have to, share to clients. What exactly is eligible? What can be, a blocked credit? And प्लांट एंड मशीनरी क्लासिफिकेशन हो सकता है कि नहीं, दैट सफारी रिट्रीट्स का जो हम लोग को रिसेंटली 2024 में आया था। तो
Correct.
दिस एंटायर जजमेंट और एंटायर दिस डॉक्यूमेंट आई कैन पेस्ट इन माई जस्ट वर्ड फाइल एंड शेयर टू माई क्लाइंट लाइक ऑन माई लेटर हेड और समथिंग, कि दिस इज द फाइनल जजमेंट आई एम शेयरिंग विथ यू, कि व्हाट कैन बी डन। सो इन दिस फॉर्मेट वी कैन यूज लाइक, अभी हम लोग ढूंढने के लिए जाते हैं तो ये सब के लिए अपने को बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता था, और बनाने के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है। ढूंढने का तो चलो अपना ही रोल है कि हम लोग को एक बार तो देखना ही है कि ये सब प्रॉपरली ड्राफ्ट कर रहा है कि नहीं। तो वो सब तो हम लोग को देखना ही है कि ये प्रॉपर करके दे रहा है कि नहीं। अभी इसने जो डिफाइन किया है 17.5 प्रॉपर लिया कि नहीं, 42-43 प्रॉपर लिया कि नहीं, वो एक बार तो अपने को रिव्यू करना ही पड़ेगा। So if we are using in our CA firm any AI tools, we must have the AI policy. If we are not
Very true.
having AI use policy, that will give a problem, because this AI policy is also required in terms of our peer review cycles. So you should define what is to be, done, the purpose, scope, permitted use, prohibited use of this AI tools, data privacy security, human oversight, accuracy compliance, intellectual property, monitoring enforcement, and acknowledgement. And there is one more thing, you have to get the staff acknowledgement that is signed by staff. Okay, this AI use policy I have checked and I have signed, because this all things will be required at the time of something. I am not I'm not thinking in the wrong front, but if something happens wrong and any data has been published by a CA firm or something, so then we will be held responsible that you have leaked the data. So you must have the AI use policy internally.
Correct. I think Hiral ji, you giving us
uh,
good food for thought, हाँ, मतलब इतना इतना सारा सोचने और समझने के लिए दे रहे हो ना, तो more sessions will be needed to continue this. But बहुत
yeah.
जबरदस्त. I think prompting is really very important.
Yes. And one more thing, I had one more. See, like you are an experienced. I had given this normal tool. Improve my prompt. Give me draft in Word with necessary changes to be suggested in the above attached draft. Means I had attached some draft, and then consent come undertaking for redevelopment with additional point to be added from society side. Means if we are a committee member somewhere in the society, then if redevelopment is coming to our society, and सब ड्राफ्ट बनाते हैं, सब एडवोकेट है, सब लोग है, लेकिन एट सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी हैव, दिस वाज माय सेल्फ रिक्वायरमेंट, लाइक पर्सनल रिक्वायरमेंट, देन also I used this ChatGPT. So it is not restricting you to use only for your professional things. You can always use your for personal things also. Like if you are having you want any projects to be done for your children's then you must मतलब you must be having a different thought cycle अपना होना चाहिए कि नहीं ये प्रोजेक्ट कौन सा हम लोग बनाए या कैसे. तो I just force on start using the tool. Any मतलब you have to define at the end of the session that which tool you will be using on daily basis, and how it will be used, and for what all purpose you will use, like for the personal purpose, professional purpose, or anything.
Hey, this reminds us, we just were making a purchase deed for a flat purchase, and that was ours only. Lawyer ने draft किया था, but then still we think ना भाई अपन sign करने वाले तो check कर
हाँ,
लेते हैं. वो चेक किया ना तो डेफिनेटली चैट जीपीटी ने 4 गलतियां निकाल कर दी. अभी लॉयर ने बना कर रखा है उसमें भी 4 गलतियां निकाल कर दी है. तो दैट इज
नहीं, वो
द
मिलता है, वो मिलता है, डेफिनेटली अपने को मिलेगा, कुछ ना कुछ पॉइंट ऐसा मिलेगा, बिकॉज वी हैव टू सी फ्रॉम द अदर एंगल ऑल्सो. Like I have said that from society side, what I have to see, like that way. From
करेक्ट.
builder side, what will be the possibilities that they will cover this clause, and we have to safeguard ourselves. So in that front we have to think, because we are taking responsibility all over the matlab, wherever we are going. Like as a CA we are responsible for everything. Anything goes wrong we are like ये तो सीए थी, तो इसने क्यों नहीं देखा होगा, या ये सीए था तो इसने क्यों नहीं बोला होगा, वो आ ही जाता है. तो वी हैव टू बी एक्स्ट्रा कॉशियस एंड लाइक इन दैट फॉर्म के एवरी लॉज एंड एवरी एक्ट्स दैट हैज बीन कंसिडर्ड फॉर दी, लाइक महाराष्ट्र स्टेट के लिए क्या है, या ऑल ओवर इंडिया में क्या है, अपने को क्या एप्लीकेबल होता है, क्या हम लोग शायद नहीं देख रहे हैं, what all things are applicable to particular situation, that can also be it's a next Google search, I can say that way कि next Google search engine जो बोलते हैं ना, वो अपने को एक बार तो ट्राई अभी करना ही है कि कोई चैट जीपीटी को बनाए या कोई क्लाउड को बनाए, कि इसमें से अपने को और जानने मिले और जानने मिले, शायद अपना नॉलेज उधर भी बड़ा होगा.
राइट.
अभी रिवाइज कोड ऑफ एथिक्स भी आया ही है. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इन प्रैक्टिस हम लोग करेंगे तो इंटीग्रिटी, ऑब्जेक्टिविटी, कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, प्रोफेशनल कॉम्पिटेंस एंड प्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर. सो इन द आईसीआई कोड दे हैव आल्सो एस्टैब्लिश दैट दिस इंटीग्रिटी एंड ऑब्जेक्टिविटी हाउ इट इज टू बी. सो एआई पॉलिसी विच आई हैव शोन, that has to be considered.
करेक्ट.
AI governance framework for CA firms, which I have already spoken for the policy and guidelines. Develop a firm AI usage policy. Define approved AI tool list. Means what tools are exactly required to be used by the staff. Set data classification rules. Establish non-negotiable prohibition and designate AI champion. Assign a partner or manager responsible for AI policy and oversight. Library of weighted tested prompts, means there should be a prompt library which is a defined prompt library available to all the staff. So that folder should be created कि for GST audit these are the defined prompts which you have to use. You can always have the update on the prompts, but the initial stage we are using this first prompt, then you can always have the updated version of the prompt in the next line or something like that way. So define that policy and guidelines which is available to all of your staff. Then there will be training and competency. So training all the staff, cover data privacy and ICAI ethics, create role-based training models, means how and what person will be train, who will be training for which particular thing, that you also can define depending upon the number of persons available. Review quality control. Mandatory partner review of AI output, means whatever AI generates, that is not really valid things which we have to consider, which it is to be rechecked and reconsidered by any of the partner before the signing happens. Then working paper documentation, it always gives our work. We can create a working paper documentation also. So in my level 2, I will like to show that level 2 presentation where I got the entire output in better form. So this was my prompt to develop my, the AI tool which I was looking for it. कि मुझे ये AI जनरेट करके चाहिए, या तो फिर मुझे ये रिपोर्ट्स मिलना चाहिए, इसके लिए मुझे ये ऐप बनाना है। तो ये जो प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर, ये मुझे थोड़ा सोचने के लिए टाइम लगा, लेकिन फिर बाद में पूरा मुझे एंटायर प्रॉम्प्ट उसने दिया कि क्या क्या बनेगा, क्या क्या फोल्डर बन सकते हैं उसमें। और the final output, if I'll show, this was the entire documentation which was created because of that thing. तो इसमें
बराबर।
सैंपल आउटपुट रिपोर्ट देखोगे आप, तो वर्किंग पेपर भी बनना चाहिए या फिर जो भी है, उसके लिए भी मैंने उसको बोल के रखा था कि कैसे कंट्रोल होएगा, पास कितने हुए, फेल कितने हुए, एक्सेप्शन कितने हुए, टेस्टिंग पीरियड क्या था, असेसमेंट क्या हुआ, मेरा कौन सा प्रोसेस चेक हुआ, रेवेन्यू, प्रोक्योरमेंट, ट्रेजरी, पेरोल, फिक्स्ड एसेट्स, कोई कितने सैंपल्स उसने मैच किए, कितना बिल्स मेरा प्रॉपर गया है, जीआरएन मैच हुआ है कि नहीं पीओ से, फिर मेकर, चेकर एंड एडमिन who was the approval channel, means that has to be also established, the submitted, forwarded and approved. So in this form the final report was generated, and this is the my working paper only. I
करेक्ट।
can see this, okay, this is my working paper which can be shown to anybody. This was the index that has been generated, कि कैसे कैसे हुआ, इनवॉइस मैचिंग हुआ, बिलिंग कंप्लीट हुआ है कि नहीं, क्रेडिट नोट रिव्यू हुआ है कि नहीं, कोटेशन एनालिसिस, ये सारी चीजें मुझे उसने जनरेट करके दे दी डायरेक्ट। मतलब मुझे कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी, आई जस्ट नीड टू हैव दैट प्रॉम्प्ट, एंड बिलो दैट द एंटायर डिटेल्ड प्रॉम्प्ट विच आई कैन जनरेट फ्रॉम माई प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग. So there is one more thing I would like to show here. It was चैट जीपीटी में पहले पहले प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग आता था चैट जीपीटी में, अभी प्रॉम्प्ट परफेक्ट करके आता है ऐप,
यस।
प्रॉम्प्ट परफेक्ट। इसमें
एंड
भी
दिस
आप कुछ भी डाल के कर सकते हो और प्रॉम्प्ट परफेक्ट करके देगा वो आपको कि क्या कर सकते हैं अपन।
दिस इज कंपैरेटिवली बेटर। मतलब वो प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग में इतना लंबा लंबा
हाँ,
प्रॉम्प्ट है, दिस इज मोर कंसाइज बट येट टू द पॉइंट।
yes, so they will define in the goal form or something like that way. I can go on and on, but I guess the time is limited right now.
नहीं नहीं, फॉर श्योर। मतलब योर कैप्स्टोन प्रोजेक्ट रिमाइंडेड मी अबाउट माय कैप्स्टोन प्रोजेक्ट व्हिच आई क्रिएटेड फॉर फ्रॉड एनालिसिस। तो बेनफोर्ड लॉ
Yes.
ये सब बहुत इजी लगता है बोलने के लिए, बट आपने ऑडिट फाइल में मिसिंग होता है। बट देन yes, with
हाँ।
chat gpt we can create various such projects and help our firm saving a lot of time. I think
हम्म।
Hiral, you surely mentioned कि time is definitely a constraint to learning. कितना सीखो
Yes.
समझो मालूम ही नहीं है। It was
Even though I have kept this, which tool for what purpose, that can be, seen for anything. Like the long documents, Claude is possible. ChatGPT is for drafting and analysis. Gemini is for research work. Google Workspace use. Copilot is Microsoft Link. Perplexity is for this, research with live citations and everything, because that gives the entire historical data or anything which is available on the cloud in data format, like any PDF, assessing officer related report which is available or something like that, where case laws that are available, that can be used for from Perplexity. Notebook LLM is from for your own matlab, that is a map mind. So notebook LLM is literally relevant for more kind of engineering and the business analyst person. Then gamma is for ppt, all that, and otter fire is for client meeting and audit calls and everything. So I can actually cover only this much.
No, no, I think what you have done today is you've given a prerequisite for all the people to join AI session next time. तो सब लोग थोड़ा और अच्छा प्रिपेयर करके आएंगे तो it will be much more healthier. We need to continuously have AI session. Just got a message
Yes,
from one of the participant also कि because of time constraint, if this much is only possible, so please have more sessions. So we will
yes.
look forward to all the other speakers. I will request everyone, if you have anything what you can share across, please use this JCF platform and enrich each one of us. Uh, I'll just keep the platform okay for 2 minutes. If there is anything which is like Q&A,
Which
which
is to be
Hiral ji made
hmm.
sure that throughout she's been answering all the questions. But all भी कुछ है तो please the platform is open.
Viral, when you are talking about level 1 and level 2, it's like अपना ICI course, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Level 2
We
से
are
interview?
having actually, we are also having, AI in ICI, and there are so many publications which has been, uploaded here. Resources, publications. Here also you will get the AI prompt engineering for chartered accountant. You can always go and look for booking the same. The publications are available.
इनफैक्ट दिस ऑल्सो रिमाइंड्स कि एआई का जो कम्युनिटी है, एआई ऑन एआई
हाँ
आईसीआई, कविता जी,
हाँ
एनीवन इंक्लूडिंग कविता जी, if they're interested, so they have all time some or the other sessions happening for level 1 level 2 refresher courses,
yes
so even we can join that also. And the major benefit when you take the session is खुद का काफी अच्छा recap हो जाता है जो भी कर रहे थे ना, तो
हाँ,
एक
रिफ्रेशर कोर्स भी है सब जो एवरी सैटरडे होता है 11 to 1.
yes.
So you can always have that, attended for recapping everything.
I completely agree with Pranav ji where he says that we need more detailed AI use case for various fields. We definitely will plan forward for such kind of area specific cases also, because
Yes,
that will help everyone, various industries, various CA firm. Let's plan something for from JCF Fem Fusion wherein we develop our own industry and bring out some very good use case studies from there. Thank you, Pranav
yes.
ji, for this feedback. Okay, I think
You can
no,
also, I would also like to add one more thing.
yeah,
You can always also have the, details that has been, given like, I want a hyperlink document, I want a hyperlink index. So it will also generate in that form. So whatever details are required, you just have to give the prompt in that form.
great. So I think endless discussion and endless things.
Yes.
We need to keep our. Yes, please, Pranav ji. Let's have this
Yeah,
last question.
Viral ji, I want to know in this paid version, when we are doing this prompting,
Yes.
day by day, when we are doing prompting, better we do. After few months or like that, we simply do a chatting with the AI. Then also it gives a very good result.
Yes, 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 definitely.
After few months, we don't need to give a good prompting then. I think.
Yes, that's what when you'll start using it on daily basis now, you will understand okay, what exactly is required to, give to now my chat GPT or to
Now I
now
think
my,
my chat
Claude.
GPT is what I want. I simply
Yes,
give him a question, he gives me the reply.
So I think
yes,
Pranav
yes,
ji, I like to add
definitely.
over here when I now give a prompt ना, तो वो उसका एक कैप्शन लाइन आता है, एज अ रजिस्टर्ड वैल्यूअर somebody will think on these lines, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली
Yes,
आपको याद दिलाता है यू आर
automatically
रजिस्टर्ड
आएगा
वैल्यूअर.
वो.
Now he knows what I am.
Yes,
See, I
yes,
am
yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
so he knows how to answer the query.
Right.
Yes,
Yeah,
because there is in profile also we can write के what exactly we are, doing it. That is मतलब अभी तो टाइम लिमिटेड है वरना वो प्रोफाइल में भी हम लोग ऐड कर सकते हैं खुद का डिस्क्रिप्शन कि हम लोग क्या है, कितने साल के से प्रैक्टिस में है,
yeah,
हम
yeah,
लोग
yeah.
क्या क्या मतलब कौन से फील्ड में काम कर रहे हैं, तो वो अकॉर्डिंगली आपको आंसर देगा सब.
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
Hiral ji,
Yeah.
can you please stop sharing so that we can have one
Yeah,
group
yeah,
pic
yeah, yeah.
at the end? There were many, but I think last में निकल गए. जो लोग भी हैं, please keep your cameras on. एक Fem Fusion group की pic तो बनती है. So please
Yes,
everyone
yes.
keep your cameras on. Waiting for next 1 minute. अरे वाह, thank you Puneet bhai, you're also there.
Puneet sir is also there.
अरे हीरल आज तो मस्त सफल हो गया. So many.
हाँ.
कविता जी ने स्टार्ट किया and then everybody is there. Thank you so much everyone for being there. Okay, let's have the click together. Thank you so much, guys. We will like to have the last vote of thanks, which is much needed. Shefali ji, I will request you, please have this vote of thanks.
Thank you, Barka. It's a privilege to give this official vote of thanks to Hiral. Hiral, you did a fantastic job of giving an overview of AI, especially for those people who are not well versed with AI. They got a glimpse of it, and it will encourage them to, go for and learn that AI courses what Institute is providing. It's really helpful to at least give a start to it. Then, as per our
Yes.
interest, हम लोग कितना आगे बढ़ाएंगे वो अलग बात है. But your use cases, what you shared with us were excellent, and कैसे हम लोग अपना टाइम बचा सकते हैं, कैसे very professionally we can do the drafting and make proper use as a assistant, AI का.
Yes.
So that is what which we need to use, even covering what precautions and preventions we should take care of and all that. Though we had paucity of time, कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं ले पाए. So, but I think so we will have more sessions, Barkha ji. So we can have such more sessions. So I request
Sure,
everybody
sure.
to give her a huge round of applause.
Yes,
Thank
Jignesh
you,
bhai, we
thank
will
you.
have one question, one session for answering question answers only. So we will have actually a discussion platform only. सब लोग
Correct.
अपने अपने points लेकर आ सकते हैं, and maybe you don't know while solving, you coming out with the best answer for yourself.
Correct.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Shefali ji, for this vote of thanks. Thank you each and every participant for joining, and thank you, Hiral, for giving us time and such a precise full session. 1 hour में बहुत कुछ किया. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Saurabh
thank
ji,
you.
you have something to say? Okay, I think
No, 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 nothing.
okay.
Thank you.
So I think
Thank you.